Hello everyone, today we're gonna be unboxing the new Logitech G502 X Plus. First thing inside the box is the main unit, the G502 X Plus. One USB cable for charging. It comes with a USB receiver extension adapter. In the box, it also came with one USB-A receiver, user documentations, and one Logitech logo sticker. Power button is the same as the other models. It's located at the bottom with a red color indicator that it's currently turned off. This mouse features with a high precision gaming sensor with 25K DPI. It also features a PTFE pads fit material for smooth glide using mouse pads and other surface areas. This mouse features a receiver storage underneath with a magnetic cover disc. To remove the cover, just push the 3 pimple dots and easily pull it out. For DPI buttons, compared to my old G903 mouse, buttons are located just beside the left button of G502 mouse, while G903 mouse is just on top of the smooth scrolling switch. Pressing these buttons will give you a color label in front of your scroll wheel that corresponds to your G-Hub DPI speeds. The scroll wheel, just like other brands and older models, this mouse features a smooth scrolling switch just behind the scroll wheel. And just like the older model, you can tilt the scroll button left or right for 2 additional personalized controls. There's 2 easily accessible side buttons labeled G4 and G5 that you can use as a modifier. I have these 2 buttons mapped for my tactical and lethal weapons in Warzone 2. In addition to the left side buttons, there's a DPI shift button just in front of your thumb position that is close enough to press. If you have longer thumb, this button is removable so you can flip it around to fit you as well. If you find this button unnecessary for your needs, Logitech provided you with 1 button cover to avoid an accidental press. For the battery life, compared to my old G903 mouse, G903 can last up to 1 month for 1 full charge. Unlike G502 X Plus, it only lasted for 1 week. That's a big difference when it comes to battery life. Since this mouse came with RGB lighting, it's understandable that this mouse can drain faster. If you have the extra money, you can buy the Powerplay mousepad that will keep your mouse charging while you're playing all day long. So overall, I think it is a great upgrade from my G903. Even though the battery drains faster, I like the lighter weight and I still find it more ergonomically designed and more comfortable for my thumb placement. It has more customizable buttons that I can use for other apps like Premiere Pro, Blender, Photoshop, and mostly games. If you don't like the RGB version, you can get the G502X for $10 less. In my gaming experience playing Warzone 2, I found it more easier for aiming compared to the heavier G903. If you want to check out this mouse, I added the link on the description. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.